Hi friends, welcome to the part 3 in combinations. In this video, we will be discussing about how many straight lines and triangles we can draw by using the given points. Actually, so many students think that straight lines and triangles all are related to geometry, not related to combinations. But by using this concept, we can find out number of straight lines and number of triangles. Now see, here there are 2 points. By using these 2 points, we can draw only one straight line. This is only one straight line. But suppose these 3 are points. By using these 3 points, we can draw only one straight line. For suppose these 3 points like this. Then we can draw one straight line and second straight line. And here this is third straight line. By using these 3 points, we can draw 3 straight lines. Okay, but suppose there are 4 points. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. We can draw 6 straight lines by using these 4 points. For suppose there are 20 points or 50 points, then how to find out the number of straight lines? In that case, we will use the formula of combinations. See, here there are 3 points and here also 3 points. But there is a difference in between these two. If 3 or more than 3 points lie in the same straight line, then these points are collinear points. See, 3 points present in the same straight line. Then these 3 points are what? Collinear points. Collinear points. Here see, 2 points in a single straight line and another 2 points in another straight line. Another 2 points in another straight line. Not 3 points present in a single straight line. That's why these 3 points are called non-collinear points. What is meant by collinear points? 3 or more than 3 points present in a single straight line, then those points are collinear points. If 3 or more than 3 points not present in the single straight line, then those are called non-collinear points. This is straight lines concept. Coming to triangles concept, to form a triangle, we want at least 3 points. Suppose see, these are 3 points. By using these 3 points, we can draw only one triangle. But suppose there are 4 points. By using these 4 points, we can draw one triangle and this is another triangle. And see, I want to combine these 2 points. Then this is one triangle and this is another triangle. Okay, see, this is one triangle and this is second triangle and this is third triangle and this is fourth triangle. Don't count these small triangles because there is no point in the middle. Okay, points are only 4. By using these 4 points, we can draw only 4 triangles. Now see, non-collinear points and collinear points. In the concept of straight lines, you see there are 2 points, only 2 points. By using these 2 points, we can draw only one straight line. Here there are 3 points. By using these 3 points, we can draw 3 straight lines. Okay. For suppose there are 4 points, then we can draw how many straight lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. To find out these number of straight lines, there is a formula in combinations, that is NC2. 2 is fixed here. In the place of R, there is a number 2 because to form a straight line, we need only 2 points. Okay, so NC2. See here, how many dots are there? How many points are there? 2. Okay, so 2C2. 2 only one. We can draw only one straight line. Here there are 3 points. In the place of n, write 3. 3C2. 3C2 is nothing but 3C1. That equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. Here how many points are there? 4. 4C2. That equal to 4 into 3 by 2 into 1. Then how many straight lines are there? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, formula is NC2. See, in the concept of non-collinear points, there are 3 points in a single straight line. Then we can form only one straight line. Formula is NC2 minus MC2 plus 1. NC2 is nothing but here n value is 3. 3C2 minus M means here number of collinear points. How many collinear points are there? 3. So 3C2 plus 1. 3C2 is nothing but 3. Then 3 minus 3 plus 1. That equal to 1. By using these 3 collinear points, we can draw only one straight line. See, in this case, there are 4 points, but in these 4 points, 3 points are collinear because these 3 points are present in a single straight line. So 4C2 minus 3 points are collinear, M value is 3, 3C2 plus 1. Okay, 4C2 value is what already calculation done here, 6. 6 minus 3C2 means 3 plus 1. 6 minus 3 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now see in the case of triangles. By using these 3 points, we can draw only one triangle. Non-collinear points. These 3 are non-collinear points. To form a triangle, we need at least 3 points. So formula is NC3. Here n value is the number of points. 3C3. 3C3 is nothing but what? 1. We can draw only one triangle by using 3 points. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points are there. 4C3. 4C3 equal to 4. How many triangles are formed? Don't count these small triangles because there is no dot at middle. Here, points are only 4. This is one triangle. This is another triangle. This is one more triangle. This is final triangle. Total there are 4 triangles. Now see the concept of collinear points, number of triangles. Here totally there are 4 points and among these 4 points, 3 points are collinear. What is the formula? To find a triangle is NC3 minus MC3. There is no plus 1. In the concept of straight lines, there is a plus 1. But in the concept of triangles, there is no plus 1. Remember that. This is the formula to find out triangles. Here n value is what? 4. 4C3 minus m value is the number of collinear points. How many collinear points are there? 3. So 3C3. 4C3 is nothing but 4. 3C3 is nothing but 1. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. See, this is one triangle. This is another triangle. This is another triangle. Total there are 3 triangles. Now see questions. First question. In a plane there are 10 non-collinear points. Find the number of straight lines formed. 10 non-collinear points. Formula for non-collinear points to form straight lines is NC2. There are 10 non-collinear points, so 10C2. 10C2 value is 10 into 9 by 2 into 1. Then 5 into 9, that equal to 45. We can make 45 straight lines by using 10 non-collinear points. This is first question. Now see second question. There are 10 points in a plane out of which 3 points are collinear. Find the number of straight lines formed. Collinear points, formula is NC2 minus MC2 plus 1. Here totally there are 10 points in a plane, so 10C2. How many points are collinear? 3 points are collinear, so 3C2 plus 1. 10C2 value is 45 minus 3C2 is nothing but 3C1, value is 3 plus 1. 45 minus 3 is 42, 42 plus 1 is 43. Now see third question. In a plane, there are 8 non-collinear points. Find the number of triangles formed. Non-collinear points. Formula is NC3. 8 non-collinear points. So n value is 8C3 equal to 8 into 7 into 6 by 3 into 2 into 1. 3 and 2 equal to 6. Cancelled. 8 into 7. 56. Fourth question. There are 8 points in a plane, out of which 3 points are collinear. Find the number of triangles formed. Formula is NC3 minus MC3. There is no plus 1 in the concept of triangles. So NC3, here there are 8 points. So 8C3 minus how many points are collinear? 3 points are collinear. So 3C3 equal to 8C3 value is what? 56 minus 3C3. 3C3 value is what? 1. That equal to 55. We can make 55 triangles. I hope you understand all these questions. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. If you understand this concept, please hit the like button and subscribe. Share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.